together and we will launch a song for Nigeria. Nigeria will be good. Nigeria will be great. Widows want to raise their flags for this country, that it shall be well with Nigeria. Thank you very much. I'm grateful to speak to good Nigerians, passionate Nigerians. Come, you cannot be there without your access card. We are inviting only the downtrodden with card. Without card, there won't be access. Thank you very much. We appreciate for the good Nigerians to see this program and learn from it. Because what government can do is what government has been doing. But at times, people surrounded our leaders might not be able to do the needful. You know, our leaders are reaching out in their own capacity. But who are the brain behind the distribution? When we say, oh yeah, go and do this for this set of people in one area or the other, or let us solve the hardship in this arena. Who are the people in charge? So we cannot say government are not doing it. They are trying. But the reason why we want to do this in Eagle Square, for them to see that, see, there is a way, there is a solution in reaching out. Government can as well collaborate with us once they know that this is our mission and it's something we have been doing. It's not a day thing. We have embarked on this journey over the years. So government should join hands together with NGOs to reach out to the poor, because the poor might not be able to get to where government are because of protocol and security. But here they have easy access. Nobody will stop them. They have easy access to NGOs. So you can join us, collaborate with NGOs, and let's give back to this society. Thank you.
So with this, you're saying, with this your program, you're helping the federal government
to eradicate poverty in our country. Because honestly, hunger is killing a lot of Nigerians, especially widows, single mothers. We have single mothers. We have homeless people that are sleeping under the bridge. We have widowers too. We have young graduates that are jobless. But through the help of this OGF, we have given out, we create a kind of job opportunity for people in training for them to be their own boss, to stand on their own. We have done a couple of works for them. It's not only giving out cash. We give out card, we raise business, as in startup business. Under this NGO, we have a global cooperative. You see our women, we empower them, we invest in women. So women are vibrant, but one way or the other, maybe during the time they lost their husband, they lost everything. They were distracted. So we are reaching out to the widows especially, and household people and single mothers. We train them how to start all over so that they will not commit suicide. We have so many of them. We are paying many house rents here. We pick a lot of them under the bridge, sleeping outside. They were raped. We have so many things here that when you listen to it, you say, what? So, government, please, you have been trying to keep to eradicate this poverty. We can still do more. Our president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we can see your work, but with the help of NGO, we can reach out to large number of Nigerians. Thank you. Widowers in our midst, even we have blind. I have somebody in our midst that lost his wife. And since that time, I think the wife has been the source of his help. And the man broke down. And along the line, he lost his sight. He cannot see again. We accommodate those people. We take care of widowers. We give them job opportunity. Now, do you know what we did? Now, we adopted a financial institution. Is a shining star, microfinance. We are launching it on this day as well. We have our POS machine. Yes, we just launched our POS. This is our POS. I was live and direct with Minister of Humanitarian. We'll be launching about 1,000 POS to the downtroddens. We have so many of them that are jobless. Widowers are many there, and widows. They have their shops, they have their homes, they can sit down. It's a means of empowerment. This is a shining star microfinance. We launch it on the 1st of January 2026. I want to do the global launching at Eagle Square. This is a sample. We are giving it out free for registered widowers and widows, because we cannot continue to be feeding them. We train them how to fish, not to be collecting all the time. Although we have food banks in OGF where people can come and get food, but not enough. We don't want them to be collecting all the time. They should be able to stand on their own and send their children to school. That's the essence of this empowerment. No, all fingers are not equal. Okay? Some people can sit down at home and be doing this. And it serves as a means of empowerment. OGF Global, this is a shining stars microfinance POS. We are launching it by the special grace of God. And as we are doing this, we are using it as a point of contact to many Nigerians that will keep into this. Once they get this, their life will never remain the same. Thank you.